Hey guys, it's Tyros here and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be the recipes on the Instant Massive Structures mod that I did a couple days ago, and yeah, let's move on. Yay. Okay, so on the magic pyramid block, it's this, which is any kind of sandstone, glowstone, and a torch. Overpowered as fuck. And it's like that. Magic tower block, like this. You pretty much know, and all of it is like any logs and then any wood and then cobblestone. This is gonna be an enchanting table and bookshelves. This one, glowstone, glass, stone. This one, oak wood planks, cobblestone, and glass. This one, leaves and wood. This one, iron bars. This one, fence. This one, another brick fence. Sorry, I just burped. Any kind of dirt and some seeds. This one is just wood, and cobblestone. This one just cactuses around a magic house block, which is like this. That is showed, and this one is what? Why is it water buckets when it's a lava house? What? Okay, that's kind of weird, but whatever. Water slide, it's like this, and bunker, like this. Arena, like that. This one, like that. Sugarcane, like this, and got dirt, sugarcane. Melon, melon, like this, melon seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Prison, it's cobblestone, iron bars, and more cobblestone. This one is just with obsidian, magic wall puzzle, logs, and wood, and power rails like this, if you don't know that. Skyscraper, this one's very overpowered. It's one piece of stone and 8 pieces of glass, and I'm standing on it right now, and just, that's kind of OP. Ain't it? Yeah, that's kind of OP. And then torch pattern, bunch of torches, airplane, like that, and that's kind of weird. Cave, done. Boat. What's this wool? It's weird. Whatever. Air balloon, wool, or you can make it. Okay, that's weird. I didn't expect they could make it out of cobblestone, but whatever. It's not me making the mod. Magic house block. Wait, that's a different one. There's bricks. Maybe there should have been snow there. There's a magic dungeon. Plane, like this. Dungeon, like this. Huge pyramid, and a diamond, and gold. And that's kind of expensive. But again, if you look at it like, then you don't think it's expensive. And this one, castle tower like that. Haunted house like this. That vines and stuff. Mega tower block, ice and quartz. And this one's like that. That one like that. That one like. That should be water because there's just a lot of water inside of it. Whatever. This one's like this. Again. And Magic Stadium does not have a recipe. I'm pressing the recipe button and it doesn't pop up, so I guess it doesn't have a recipe. And yeah, thanks for looking at the recipes. I'm sorry if it took a little bit late to upload this video because I really wanted to do other stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you could have just went on down to the not description down in the whatever. You could have just looked at the video, but yeah, thanks for watching my video if you did, and yeah, see you in the next video. See you. Oh, that was anticlimactic. I want to jump over.